Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 791, and today's topic is the health benefits of vitamin E, and that is alpha tocopherol, but we can call it tocopherols because there are 8 tocopherols: alpha, beta, gamma, eta, and out of all those eight tocopherols, the most important biologically active is alpha tocopherol. So actually, the other name of vitamin E, where it is mentioned everywhere, is called alpha tocopherol or vitamin E. The word toco is a Greek. Toco means birth. And then pherein means that is child carrying. So it means it is the compound that is tocopherol, alpha tocopherol, or we can call vitamin E, is responsible of fertility, and that is very important for male. And according to lot of biological action and pharmacological reports, these tocopherols, that is mainly alpha tocopherol, can boost the fertility in men. And this vitamin E is very important antioxidants, very powerful antioxidants, and because of that reason it is very good for our cardiovascular system. Even it will not allow the formation of cancerous cells, tumor formation. It is very good to our brain health. The reason is that this vitamin E can drastically reduce the oxidative stress, means the formation of free radicals, and especially vitamin E supplement is very good for those people who are having the bad lifestyle. If I say bad lifestyle, means they are heavy smokers, they are smoking 20-30 cigarettes, they are working in sunlight, they are exposed to ultraviolet light, or they are also living in densely populated area exposed to lot of pollution. In that condition, bad lifestyle means lot of free radicals are produced in our body, and we are under, we call it oxidative stress. So in that condition also, vitamin E is very much helpful, because vitamin E is powerful antioxidant and it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress. And also vitamin E, since it is powerful antioxidant, it is very good for our aging skin. So it is also widely used nowadays in lot of skin care product. And the main source of vitamin E are vegetable sources, especially the fatty acids in oil, like groundnut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil. They are all rich in vitamin E, that is alpha tocopherol, and also whole grain and your egg, cheese, they are also containing vitamin E. But the most rich source of vitamin E are vegetable source. And if we want to get more vitamin E, that is wheat germ oil, and that is very rich in vitamin E. And vitamin E also can be isolated from wheat germ by oil, and that is by saponification and separation method we can get the vitamin E. So vitamin E is very, very important. It is fat soluble vitamin, and for adult we require up to 25 to 30 milligram per day if there is deficiency of vitamin E. So here the health benefits of vitamin E, and that vitamin E is actually that is tocopherols. I say pyrrole forming there are 8 tocopherols, and out of which the most important from biological point of view, which is biologically active, is alpha tocopherol. And here 2 structures are given. One is that is your alpha tocopherol, that is vitamin E, and its molecular formula is C29H50O2, and at 6th position, this is 6th position, at 6th position it is having phenolic group. Why I call phenolic group? It is not, you cannot call it hydroxy group. It is phenolic group because this OH is attached to aromatic ring, and because of this reason alpha tocopherol is very very powerful antioxidant. And you know all those phenolics, they are powerful antioxidant because they are capable of supplying the electron, they are electron rich, and these free radicals, they are deficient in electron. So once electron rich species phenolics are there, they can get the electron and they can be neutralized. And the second one is that is beta tocopherol, and this beta tocopherol is having formula C28H48O2. The only difference is that there is one CH3 group here at 7th position. There is no at 7th position in the case of beta tocopherol, the methyl group is not there, and otherwise all other things are the same. Number 1, vitamin E represents a group of 8 compounds and which are collectively known as tocopherols. But whenever the name of vitamin E comes, everywhere it is written alpha tocopherol, because the alpha tocopherol out of those 8 tocopherols is the most active one biologically. Tocopherols, and in Greek term, the tocopherol is actually Greek term, and it means tokes means childbirth and pherin means to bear. It is very clear indication that it is indicating towards fertility. So because vitamin E is anti-sterility factor which is necessary for the fertility of male, that's why vitamin E helps a lot for the fertility of the male. If someone is having some a little infertility, or doctor is saying that your sperm count or your density of sperm are less, then you can go for vitamin E. That is helpful to your fertility of male and the birth process of female also. And in the case of birth process, it is also helpful. That's why it is called childbirth. Tox is a Greek term, means childbirth. That's why it is helpful in male fertility and childbirth for female. And number 2, vitamin E is a group of naturally occurring compounds, and the most important ones are alpha, beta, gamma, eta tocopherols. But out of all these, the alpha tocopherol is biologically most active. Vitamin E means alpha tocopherol are usually found in certain vegetables and particularly in seed germ oils. Embryo or the seed which is germinated in that condition, that is thus the wheat germ oil is very rich in with alpha tocopherol, alpha and beta tocopherol, that is vitamin E. And not only this germ wheat germ oil, even your olive oil, your sunflower oil, your groundnut oil, mustard oil, they are all, most of the vegetable oils, they are good source of vitamin E. Number 3, Tocopherols are stable to heat, acids and alkalis, and water and insoluble in water, and are insoluble in water and soluble in fat solvents like alcohol, acetone, petroleum ether, because of its organic ester, that's why it is called fat soluble vitamin. Due to the presence of phenolic group OH at 6th position of benzene ring in that tocopherol structure, I have already told you, because of that it is a powerful antioxidant, and it is a powerful antioxidant. Number 3, the vitamin E is widespread in plant kingdom, but animals contain only small amount. The best dietary sources of vitamin E are vegetables, oils, eggs and butter. And actually the best source is whole grain, not refined one, also vegetable oils, and also roasted or even without roasting your nuts like almond, walnut, cashew nut, and even this your seeds, that is whole grain, flax seed, and also beans. They are all good source, vegetable source of vitamin E. And daily requirement of vitamin E is from 200 to 600 mg per day. It depends upon the deficiency. Number 4, isolation. How to isolate from natural source, that is vegetable oil, and that is wheat germs are dried and pressed to collect the oil, which is treated with 20% alcoholic UH. Actually, wheat germ oil is a very rich source of vitamin E, and that one oil is treated with 20% alcoholic potassium hydroxide, is in absence of oxygen. The sterols from the unsaponifiable portion is removed by precipitation, and the remaining unsaponifiable portion on distillation gives vitamin E at temperature 200 to 200 degrees centigrade. And number 5, the deficiency of vitamin E may cause muscular degeneration, and it is anti-sterility. That is very important. First, actually, if there is deficiency of vitamin E, you will feel weak and muscular degeneration. Your skin will not be shining. And secondly, it is known as the compound of fertility. All these tocopherols, that is anti-sterility, and especially in females on a diet deficient in vitamin E suffers reproductive failure, and that is characterized by resorption of fetus. So that is a serious issue. One, there is vitamin E deficiency. This type of problem females may face. Number 6, one of the important functions of vitamin E is to keep your blood vessels dilated and prevent the blood clotting in your blood vessels. So it is also working as a anti-blood clotting in our blood vessels. Number 7, vitamin E is fat soluble vitamin, and that functions are an antioxidant, and it may decrease your risk of heart disease, and that is because it will drastically reduce the oxidative stress, and can destroy a lot of free radicals because of the presence of phenolic group at position carbon 6. There are certain cancers also, of course, once your oxidative stress is drastically reduced, means the chances of cancer is also reduced, the formation of cancer cells, that is abnormal cells, and it can also help you in vision problem and brain disorder. Of course, I mean, once the same oxidative stress is less, the brain disorder, Alzheimer's or dementia chance is reduced, that is memory loss. And number 8, vitamin E may help people who have a risky lifestyle. I call them some people who are not following their normal lifestyle. I call them, they have risky lifestyle, means they are alcoholic, they are smoking cigarettes, they are chewing tobaccos, and also they are very much exposed to sunlight, they are going to lot of polluted area. It means they are having risky lifestyle. In that risky lifestyle, it can also help because it may help to repair the body cells. So with this I will stop, and these vitamins, that is vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E, the most important one, that is fat soluble vitamins, are over. And now I will be starting water soluble vitamins, and it will start from B group of vitamins and vitamin C. So thank you very much for watching the lecture.